I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious egg chow mein at home. First, let's talk about the essential ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of egg noodles, 2 to 4 fresh eggs, and a selection of vegetables like carrots, cabbage, and bell peppers. For the sauce, combine dark soy sauce, green chili sauce, and a teaspoon of white vinegar. Don't forget cooking oil, minced garlic, and ginger for that authentic aroma. Next, let's prepare the noodles and eggs. Boil about 1.5 liters of water with a pinch of salt. Then add your egg noodles and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until they are al dente. Drain them and rinse with cold water to stop the cooking process and prevent sticking. In a separate pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil. Then scramble 2 to 4 eggs seasoned with salt and pepper until they are lightly cooked. Set both aside. Now for the vibrant vegetables and the savory sauce. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a wok over high heat. Add thinly sliced onions, carrots, cabbage, and bell peppers, stir-frying for about 2 minutes until they are slightly tender but still crisp. Then, add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and ginger, cooking for 30 seconds until fragrant. Pour in your pre-mixed sauce, tossing everything to ensure the vegetables are beautifully coated. Finally, it's time to bring everything together for a delicious finish. Add your perfectly cooked noodles and the scrambled eggs back into the wok with the stir-fried vegetables and sauce. Toss all the ingredients together vigorously for about 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring every strand of noodle and every piece of vegetable is evenly coated. Garnish your homemade egg chow mein with fresh spring onion greens and serve it piping hot for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.